Hey Kids in Tune, welcome back to our Play Along series. If you haven't already, make sure you check out the video Mr. G uploaded the other day because I know you'll really enjoy it. But before we get to playing Ode to Joy today, I want to go over a couple tips and reminders with you to make sure it's as easy as possible for you to follow along. The very first thing you want to do is go down in the description and click on that link and get a hold of your music. Once you get your music printed out and you practice a little bit, make sure you get tuned up too. So for all of our wind instruments, you'll want to tune up to a B flat, and for our string instruments, you'll want to tune to an A. Once you do that, then you'll need to make sure that you're at the right video because we actually have two versions, and if you look right on your music, it'll tell you which version you should go to, either the band version or the orchestra version. So once you have all of that settled, the very last thing you need to know is that there is a 2-measure introduction before you come in and play. So I'm going to show you what that sounds like at the keyboard. And let me do that just one more time for you. And now you're ready to play along to Ode to Joy.